Hi again, Leah Debenham here from Mind Your Words, and I'm popping into your inbox yet again to give you another tip to help you write an about page that is connection building and conversion focused to help you transform those visitors into subscribers, leads, or clients. So you would have already read the intro to the email that I've sent you, and you know that I'm talking about how you can bring together the words that you've written, that you've spent hours writing, and pull it together with a website design that complements those words, that makes that experience for your visitors easier to absorb the words that you're giving them and what you're telling them about how you can help solve their problem. So I'm going to dive into 5 of my top tips. And the first one for me is the most important. When it comes to talking about having connection building copy, you can pair that with a photo of you or your team and it just brings it all together. It gives your ideal clients the opportunity to see and know who they're buying from. And they want to build a connection with people, not a faceless brand. So by personalizing your page with a photo, you're showing people who you are, you're allowing them to establish an emotional connection with your brand, with your team, you're boosting your authenticity, and you're creating trust in your business, which is exactly what we need to be doing. The other thing that I'm going to ask you to do when it comes to putting your amazing copy onto your about page, and that is to use headers and subheaders and images. Break it up. The last thing that you want are visitors landing on your about page to a wall of words. They're going to be hitting that back button faster than you can say Holy Toledo. So you want to create the opportunity for them to scan that page and find the information that they're looking for, or find, subheaders that are appealing to them, and to keep them moving through that page so that they can learn all about you. The next thing I'm going to suggest is that maybe you try doing something different to make your brand stand out. Think about maybe having an infographic of your business journey or a video that introduces yourself. Videos are really hot right now, and particularly on about pages, because again, they're giving that opportunity to your ideal client to create a connection, to hear your voice, to hear how you present yourself, and to build that trust with you. Keep it real. That was my other point. Just keep it real. Keep the video real, keep it natural, keep the photos that you put on your website natural, showing you doing things that you would naturally do in places that you would naturally do it. I'm not a big fan of the corporate headshots. I feel like we've moved past them now. That's just my opinion, but yeah, keep it real. The other thing, tip number 4, is use white space. Let it all breathe, just a little. You don't want to crowd it all in and make it really hard for your user to read the information and to navigate through the page. So create white space. You can do this by increasing your margins, increasing your padding on the page, just to let everything breathe a little. And finally, let's talk about optimizing your about page for conversions. So you can get clever. You can break up your page into different sections, maybe by using different background colors. I know that's something that I've done on my website, is I've created something that's a little bit different, makes it a little bit more engaging. People are sort of working through a couple of different colors, and it emphasizes the information that I want to emphasize. You can also use your opt-in row to break up the content, and this is, actually, you know what, this isn't an or, this is a please make sure you include social proof on your about page. So I'm talking social proof in the form of testimonials. And you can do this differently as well. Instead of just using a normal testimonial module where you've got the, the comment from your client and their name, you can take snapshots of testimonials that have been left for you on Google or on Facebook. And some may argue that they're even more credibility boosting, because you can see that a person has actually written that on that page for you, as opposed to you as a business owner writing the testimonial on your website page. So there you have it. They are my top 5 tips for bringing your words and your website design together to create the ultimate connection building, conversion focused about page. And that's So yeah, if you've used the ebook to create your own about page and you find these tips handy, let me know. I'm sitting on the end here waiting for you to send me an email, and take care, and until next time, bye.